Here you've got Samsung Galaxy J6 Plus, and let me show you how to clear credentials on the following device. So at first you have to open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you should pick biometrics and security, located right here. Now scroll down, find and pick other security settings, it's the very last tab. And now you have scroll down one more time, and here you will find clear credentials tab. So if you truly want to remove all certificates, just click on clear credentials. And then confirm that you would like to delete all content, all certificates by tapping on OK. Then draw the pattern if you have one to confirm. And that's it. As you can see, credential storage has been cleared. So that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.